Hey everyone, it's Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today we're diving into a really handy little combo in Excel, using IF and COUNTIF together in the same formula. This is perfect for situations where you want Excel to check if certain criteria have been met, and then return a result based on that. In my example today, we've got Bernard's sales numbers, and we want to work out which sales medal he's earned. Here's the rule. To get the gold medal, Bernard needs to make at least 4 sales that meet a specific target value. We'll do this step by step so you can follow along. First, we'll use COUNTIF to work out how many of Bernard's sales have reached a certain target. Click into the first cell where you want your count to appear and type equals COUNTIF, open bracket. For the range, I'm going to select the entire column of sales amounts. That's column C in my example. Because I'll be copying this formula down later, I want this range to stay locked. To do that, I press F4 on my keyboard, which puts $signs in the cell reference, like C2 to C20. That makes it an absolute reference, so it won't shift when I drag the formula. After the range, type a comma, and now for our criteria. We want to check if each sale is greater than or equal to the target in column F. So inside quotation marks, type greater than or equal to. Now we need to join this comparison operator to the target cell. To do that, use the ampersand symbol, that's ampersand, and then click the target cell, which in my case is F2. So far my formula reads, close the bracket, press enter, and there we go. Excel tells me how many sales meet that target. If you drag the formula down, you'll get the count for each target level: silver, bronze, and so on. Now for the fun part, deciding which medal Bernard gets. We're going to wrap our COUNTIF inside an IF function. Here's how I'll write it. Let's break that down. The logical test is COUNTIF greater than or equal to G2. This checks if the number of sales meeting the target is greater than or equal to the threshold in column G. If that's true, the value if true is the medal name in column H. If it's false, we return an empty text string, double quotes, which makes the cell look blank. Press enter, and now when I copy this down, I can instantly see which medals Bernard has achieved. Real-life example. This method works great for employee performance tracking, sales competitions, school grading, anywhere you want to check a condition and then return a label or award. And that's it. You've just combined IF and COUNTIF like a pro. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tips. You're doing amazing, let's see. Excel isn't scary at all once you know the tricks.